Comparing two strings in Excel. I need to compare two strings in Excel and determine if they are equal. The strings are in adjacent cells. For example, given the formula on the third column should give me any help appreciated. Ted.
If case in your third column result is not important, equals A1 equals B1. If case in your result does matter, equals if A1 equals B1, true, false. This comparison, equals A1 equals B1, is slightly different than the exact comparison since case sensitivity of the characters is not compared. The exact function also compares the character case. If you need case sensitivity checked and specify your own results, use equals if, exact, A1, B1, true, false.
Use the built-in exact function, which is exact ly for this purpose. It will return true if the strings are identical.
If you want to support the channel,